Welcome to Little Learner's ABC Studio. Let's learn and play. Tap like. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go, friends!
A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for drum. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin.
W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.